Hi everybody, I'm JT, this is Harry and welcome to another video from us here at Campervan Journey. So today's video is just a really short guide as to where to find and locate the jack on a Volkswagen T6 California. There's loads of storage cubbies on a VW van, and they've very cleverly hidden a jack away in a location which means that it's all out of the way. So let me show you where it is and how to access it in the need be. So on the left hand side of the boot area on our California beach is this little cubby section here. So we pop this up, lift it out of the way, and this sort of is an infill area behind the near side rear wheel arch. Now as you can see, we keep a lot of other little items in here, which all items that hopefully we don't need very often at all. Including the tow hitch for the tow bar. It's very heavy, but it does fit in there quite nicely. And then just underneath, now we can see the jack assembly. Key thing with the jack, and hopefully we're not going to need it or use it very often, but it's secured by this nut on the top here. So let me just move emergency warning triangle out of the way. Harry's going to undo the nut, slide the bolt out. Let me just take over. So unscrew
very well done,
nut itself, and the whole thing will come out in one chunk. Turn it over, and again there's a really clever little feature with this. It's all stored together, but the locking wheel nut key is stored in the end. So those times when you're looking everywhere for the locking wheel nut key, it's actually stored in behind on the jack storage as well. And you've got towing eye and the wheel brace. Not sure what that little spring clip's for. Well, that's there as well. Maybe you can leave a note in the comments below. But when you need to use the jack, it just folds out, and again, following the instructions in the handbag as to where the jacking points are, you wind that up and then crank through. My advice would always be, if you've got the assistance cover, call the assistance people to come and help you, because 9 times out of 10 it's better to have an extra pair of hands to help in that situation as well. But with the new vans, certainly in the UK, Volkswagen assistance comes for 3 years from date of registration. Now when you're popping it back, there is a bit of a knack to it. We've got to line this bolt up perfectly with the little hole just on the top there. You can just see now that we've got this removed, one of the other features that you've got on the California is this additional sound insulation. That on our T5 we had none of this because it was just a van conversion, so that's one of the reasons why it's smoother and quieter to drive. But Harry, if you wouldn't mind just holding the camera, and then I'm going to try and get this back in one go. So the knack is to try and get it located up easy. Yeah, it is a bit tricky to do, and you've got to get that bolt lined up with the hole. There we go. So wind the nut up.
You can just see it getting deeper.
You can see it tightening up, and once it's tight and secure, we're all done. So absolutely one of those few things on the van that you hope you're never going to have to use. But we're now all tight. Pop the bits and pieces back that we store in there as well. Again, items that we don't use very often.
And hopefully we'll make happy.
Now I know if you've got a ocean, then the features and storage that you have is completely different, or a coast for that matter. But we don't at the moment, so let's tow bar back in.
What is this?
I'm not sure what that is. We'll pop that back in there. First aid kit.
Make sure that's easy and accessible.
That's easy accessible in the event of an accident, and just another clean cloth. And then the panel, trim panel, and then the trim panel just clips back in. You've just got to line up the little lugs. So easiest way to do that is pop it up and then just push it down
There we go.
like so, and then all done.
Yay!
So there we go. Hopefully a useful video for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch today, and remember, if you found the video informative, or you've enjoyed it,
Yeah.
or you found it useful, whatever, please remember just to hit the button to like and subscribe, and we will look forward to seeing you on the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.
Watching.